Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Sync module for local storage options, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Blink Sync module from its box. Locate the Sync module and ensure you have access to a power outlet. Plug the Sync module into the power outlet using the provided power adapter. Wait for the module's light to begin flashing blue. Download the Blink app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Open the Blink app. Create a new account or log into your existing account. Tap on the Add a Device option within the app. Select Blink Sync module from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Sync module to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure you have your Wi-Fi network name and password ready. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on the Sync module with your smartphone. Once the Sync module connects to your Wi-Fi, the light will change to solid blue. Now, proceed to set up local storage options. Navigate to the local storage settings within the app. Select the option to enable local storage on the Sync module. Insert a USB drive into the back of the Sync module for local storage. Ensure the USB drive is formatted correctly, ideally as FAT32. The app will recognize the USB drive and display a confirmation. Once enabled, the Sync module will start recording footage directly to the USB drive. You can monitor and manage your local storage settings through the app. To check available storage space, return to the local storage settings. Always safely eject the USB drive before unplugging it to prevent data loss. Your Blink Sync module is now fully set up for local storage options. Enjoy using your system with enhanced security and data management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.